Welcome to Water Solution again. It's another beautiful moment we have. We'll talk about the WC, the Flow Master, how to fix it. This is a channel where we learn how to fix the sanitary wells. Talk about a total water solution at the home. As you can watch, we're trying to fix the water closets, which we call the pool, toilet pool, the usual name, but the actual name is water closet, which is abbreviated to water WC. Here you can watch how it's being fixed. Most of all, we use it in our home, but we don't really understand how it is being fixed properly. Here you can see now how it's being fixed properly. Just watch, see the man fixing it up. Then at the end of it, you see how they will make it flush. So that is exactly what I'm watching now. Here is the tank, and you see inside is the Flow Master. Here you see the Flow Master in the ground. Otherwise they call them flusher, but the true name is the Flow Master. Toilet Flow Master. Here it is. This is the flush. The second one which is going to pick up is the water supply. The two put together is the complete Flow Master. As that is, that is the nozzle, that is where you used to set it. Those are the two flushers. When you press the two at once, those are the two rubber rod. I will press it, then the toilet will just flush. Some persons call it top flush. And presently we have, even the hanging one, we are having the same top flush now. The side flush is about to be fixing out. This part of the world is no other in existence. I know some other part they still use it because some people still prefer it. And presently here what I'm seeing in the store now is this top flush that's mostly rampant now in the market and in our houses now. The side flush, they're about fixing them up. Now he's setting it. That is the setting, because it has its own setting. Even the flush, the inlet has its own setting also. When you set it where the water get to its peak, it will stop by himself. But if not properly set, something happens when water gets to where it's supposed to get to, it will just be wasting the entire clean water that the home is supposed to use for some other things. This is the reason why it's being set here. So you have its own setting. You need to learn that. You need to get those settings. Sometimes you use it, you just go out of place. You just be wasting the entire water. So yeah, this what you are seeing now is the water inlet, water supply water inside. When it gets to its peak, it will stop. Have a setting, have its own programming. And then you have the rubber rod that holds it, those two mouths. When it picks up, I'll show you here. These are the two rubber rods. Those two arrows you are seeing now. Those are the point for the two rubber rods. Those are the ones that hold the tank, WC tank, to the main WC itself. Now it's mounting it now with those two rubber rods. That's the complete set of the water closet. It's the tank. Yes, it's set now. That is the top cover. That is the seat cover. Now the whole thing is set. The entire water closet system is complete. Now you flush. That's the beginning of the settings. Now you see the flush. I want to take it, it has flushed again. It has flushed. You have this little analysis before you just knock the notification bell. When because this is what we do. We notify you when other video has been put in place. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you.